guys, welcome back. Today what I want to share with you is something that I hear all the time. It's probably the number one complaint that I hear all the time. Keto coffee sucks. They want you to put butter in it. They want you to do all this stuff. But if you're like me, I loved sweet coffee. I used Coffee Mate, flavored creamers, lots and lots of sugar, and trying to switch over to keto and doing without all that stuff, struggling to get that perfect cup of coffee that was sweet and delicious, has taken me a really long time to fine tune and get something that that really satisfies. So I'm gonna share that with you right here today so that you too can have a perfect cup of coffee. So I'm going to fill up my coffee cup and I'm going to start adding in what I use and show you how I get a great, sweet tasting cup of coffee in the morning. So I just start off with, I use a medium blend coffee, but if you like strong coffee, just make your coffee regular, however you typically do that. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add in Swerve granular sweetener. And because I like sweet coffee, I'm putting in a big spoonful. So you can sweeten that to whatever your taste is. Then what I'm gonna do is I have some organic vanilla extract. This is 100% pure, so it does not take very much of this. Again, this is vanilla extract. So I'm just putting in a couple of drops. This may look like I'm putting in a capful. I'm not. I'm putting in just a little bit because it's strong. So I'm just going to drop that in. It's less than 1/8 of a teaspoon of this organic vanilla. And then I'm gonna give that a stir. And once I have stirred that, I'm gonna add in this Oak Farms Dairy whipped cream. You can get this, I get this at Sprouts. You can get organic, you can get whatever fits. This has actually 1 carbohydrate and 1 gram of sugar and 15 calories per 2 tablespoons. So not bad at all. And I'm just gonna take this and give it a shake and put this right on top. Doesn't that look good? It's starting to look like a dessert coffee, like something you would get from Starbucks. And then I'm just gonna take some organic cinnamon and I'm just gonna sprinkle that right on the top. So when you're done, you have this really great, rich, sweet cup of coffee. And this has really, really made a difference in just daily pleasure. When I wake up in the morning, I always look forward to a great cup of coffee. I do intermittent fasting, so I usually don't put any like food in my mouth until way later in the day. But I want a great cup of coffee. I just do. It's very important to me, and it is one of the #1 complaints that I hear. So I hope that this will satisfy you the same way that it does me. It's very, very good. That is a good way to start off the morning. So if you're sick of black coffee and you want something sweet and delicious, give this a try. Let me know how you liked this video, and if you too are a sweet coffee drinker, hit the like button for me right now. I wanna know how many of us there are out there that are like me, because this has been a big struggle, and I'm so glad that I finally found a solution that works for me, and I hope that it works for you too. So we love you. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee. Bye-bye.